Hi to everyone. Today we are working on a park, that is a main park, which is almost 29 canals area, and we are going to develop it, and the target is 30 days. So let me show you what we have done so far. So the track is in progress. Almost 60% of the track is finished, and we are going to grow grass on sand base. So let me show you the natural ground. So this is the natural ground. It is you can say the sand type, the soil type is silty clay, and the sprinkler system, that irrigation system that is installed. This is Rainbird Maxipa 2045A, and we have a hydro zone of 40 sprinkler. You can in some cases 38. There is only one station which is touching the 40 sprinklers. Each sprinkler have a discharge of 3 gallons per minute, and the main line we kept install our main line on that side of the park, and all the laterals are going widthwise. So now, and right next to the track inside we have the light poles. So this is the light pole dug area, and then we have the bricks underneath there after compaction, and once that is done, then the foundation for the light will be installed there. So you can see that majority of our work is going to finish. We have the two tracks. We have three tracks almost. One is going all the way with the boundary, and the second one is that is the gazebo. So second one is there, going there. Then we have so this section between that track and this track, there is the children area, and then we have the cricket ground, football ground, and then we have the cricket ground. So let me show you the track work. So the track work is, after compaction, the underneath soil we put here a 2-inch thickness of layer, and then we compact that, and after that we are installing the pavers. So the work is in progress, and we are in short of time. We have to finish the work. Normally it takes almost 70 to 75 working days to finish a 30 canal project park in all aspects, but this one, the target we got is only 30 days. So we double the force, and we are going to hit it hard, and every equipment, every machinery that is required. So 2 excavators and 4 trolleys and 1 blade and 1 bucket, they are working here. Almost, you can say, 7 to 8 machineries, and every equipment that we required here, any type, grader, etc., everything that is available. So we have to finish the job as soon as possible. For that purpose, we have almost 70 staff which are working here on different works. So there are masonry, there are plumbers, there are hard labor, and there are every type of person is available here on our site, and we are going to finish this job within 30 days. Material supply is an issue at the moment, because let's talk about the pavers. So the pavers that we are using here is strength of it is 6,000 psi, but it is not readily available. You have to give order with advance payment, and then you have to wait for 14 days to deliver it. So that is the main problem. that some material that which is not available in the market readily, so you have to wait for it until you get it. So we are trying our best to be on top of such things. So this is the track. You can say there is a gray color on both sides, and then we have the red pavers in the center. So then we have the edging, like here, edging stone, and then we have the paver. So, and then we have the curbing right on the boundary. So this is the curb stone, so that no vehicle can enter the park area. And once this all is done, irrigation done, everything done, and then we are going to put here the tree line where this extra soil burn you can see, and this will be the tree line. And inside we will have here shrubs on this side of the track, flowering shrubs, flower beds, and all this will be a grassy lawn. And benches, playing equipments, those are orders that will cost us 3.8 million. And the total project, this total project will cost us almost 16 million for the material, and another, you can say, 4 million for the labor, etc. So it's almost 20 million project. So hopefully you will enjoy it. Okay, let me show you one thing more. We have diverted all of our water towards this point where that block is sitting at the moment, curbstone, and underneath there we have a big chamber, and it is 10 by 10 by 10 feet, 10 foot, 10 foot, 10 foot, 10 foot square, and then 10 foot deep. And that was filled with the brick ballast, and that is what we called water harvesting chamber. So all the water of this section is diverted towards this chamber. So when it rains or when there is excess amount of water, that will go through to that chamber, and it will seep down to the water table. So there is no drainage out for irrigation water or rainwater to go out, and we are actually harvesting all the water that will come inside in the park. So if it is rain, if it is monsoon, or even irrigation water, as I mentioned, all the water which we will employ or which came by nature here, that will be harvested inside the park. So that is a good point, and we are working on that. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, like the videos, and be in touch. Thank you.